Hi students, today we are going to make updates within this design with my client's feedback, and this is just a demo for education purpose, so don't worry. We are going to learn the process of making a design from feedback to final output. So this was the last design which we have to follow to update this design. So first of all, let's make a copy of this design so we can understand what does it how does it look after making changes with the requirements. And now the game starts. First of all, the client asked me to make changes here and here. So we are asked two changes to make. First of all, we need to remove this one, this part, and then I have to remove this part. Also, I have to change the background color to this one. So I have to firstly ungroup it by pressing right click and ungroup all. Now just select the part that we have to remove with the selection tool and just press backspace from keyboard. Do the same thing for these parts. Select and press keyboard button backspace to remove every unnecessary things that client doesn't want. And now it's almost as it's for the client. As you can see, this was the previous version and this is the after version according to the client feedback. So we changed the background color, we changed this background color, and we removed this above part and we removed this below part. And this is how we can work with the client's update. And as the high graphic students, I think your university you may not have got a lot of lessons, but when you practice, when you see practice works of us, you get some idea about this could help you. So keep watching the practice works we do. Thank you so much for watching till here. We will get back to you again